In this video, I will show you how to automatically save Telegram photos and videos to your Android gallery. First, open Telegram and go to Settings, then tap Data and Storage. Scroll down until you find the Save to Gallery section. Here, turn on private chats, group chats, and channels. You can enable photos, videos, or both depending on what you want to save automatically. That's it. Now Telegram will automatically save incoming media to your device gallery. If you also want to make sure everything downloads properly, go back to Data and Storage and check that automatic media download is enabled for Wi-Fi and mobile data. And if you want to save something manually, open the photo or video, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Save to Gallery. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.